Hello and welcome. My name is Maria Fuller. I'm an attorney at the law firm of Fuller & Fuller. At our firm, we practice medical malpractice and personal injury law in the state of Washington. I'm here today to talk to you about PIP and what PIP means in the state of Washington. The first question is, what is PIP? PIP is short for Personal Injury Protection. PIP is something that you have on your own automobile policy. It's usually quite inexpensive and good coverage to have, and it covers your medical bills, your lost wages, and household help if you need it if you've been injured in a car accident. A question that I'm often asked by clients is, why are we using my PIP to pay my medical bills and my lost wages when I was hurt by somebody in a car accident and the other person was at fault and the other at-fault party should be paying for those things? The answer to that question is, yes, the at-fault party will be paying those things, but they do not pay them in installments as the case is going along. The law does not require it. They only require that you be paid at the end of the case for all of your damages in one lump sum. Therefore, the question becomes, who's going to pay those bills and that wage loss in the meantime? And the answer in many cases is PIP. Another question that clients have, and a concern that they have, is that using their own PIP benefits will raise their rates. In the state of Washington, there is a statute on point, and it will not raise your rates to use your PIP benefits if you are not at fault in the accident. One last question that clients have is, if I use my PIP benefits, will I have to pay those PIP benefits back? In many instances, the answer is yes. Sometimes there are other circumstances where you do not need to pay back PIP. Sometimes those circumstances involve if you were a pedestrian, if you were a passenger in the car and your own driver was at fault, or if there is uninsured motorist coverage involved. Those are specific circumstances that we could discuss if those circumstances arise. But in the usual circumstances, yes, it's part of your insurance contract that you have to pay back PIP. PIP acts more like a loan, and it has to be paid back at the end of the case by the money that we will get for this from the at-fault party. The law in the state of Washington says that the insurance company cannot require you to go out and hire the attorney to get money to pay back PIP. They have to contribute to your attorney's fees. I've had many cases where the amount that the insurance company, your own insurance company, has to contribute to the attorney's fees makes a substantial difference in the case and really reduces the attorney's fees that the client has to pay. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.